Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a first impressions slash tutorial with the Jeffree Star Alien palette. So I'm sure you've all seen this on YouTube, but this is what it looks like. And I've already put Martian soil in my crease and blended it upwards as well. And that's just like the mustard yellow color. Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking, they're just wild today. And I'm wearing this like black top with a mustard skirt, so that's why I'm going with this color today, because I want to match my outfit. Next I'm going to take the shade X-Files, which is this like brown gray color. And put that in another blending brush and put that directly into my crease to deepen it. Just going in a windshield wiper motion. Okay, down to the inner corner as well. Going for almost like a cut crease. I did have like the first portion of this filmed, but I hate editing and my sister called me, so I just restarted the video. All I did was basically the same thing I'm doing now, I just blended it up even further. And this brush that I'm using is by Kirkland Signature, which is Costco's makeup brand, but I'm not sure if they make that anymore. So this is where we're at so far. I'm gonna go back in with that mustard shade, Martian soil, and really get in there and make sure that that mustard stands out. I'm going back in with the brush I just used with the darker X-Files shade and deepening that even just a little bit further as well. I don't know why they're barking. I'm sorry if you can hear it. Then I'm gonna take a flat Bella Pierre Cosmetics brush, flat shader, and the shade Pluto. I think I want to use Pluto, yeah. And put that all over my lid. Actually, we're just gonna tap that off and go with Interstellar, which is this gold champagne color right here. Yeah, I like that better. Just patting this on. When you pat, it helps keep the pigmentation and helps prevent fallout. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Real Techniques smudge brush and go in with Pluto, which is that original shade, that white shade. There's a hair. Put that on the inner corners of my eye to really brighten that up. I'm just really packing it on just because I really like a bright inner eye, or inner corner. Went down a little far, that's all right. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some eyeliner. I'm using the Tarte Precision Longwear Liner. And do a wing. Just fixing it, touching it up, making sure that it connects to the bottom. Then I'm just gonna go across the lid. Made that one a little thicker than I wanted to. So I'm just gonna go back in with that flat shader brush with Interstellar and fix that up just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Professional, what is this? Eyeliner pencil and go in my waterline. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush, this is also by Kirkland, and dip it into X-Files and set that underneath there. Actually, I'm gonna go in with Space Cowboy, which is this burgundy color. It looked burgundy. Oh, it's like a deep brown with some red flecks in it. If you wanted to keep this look light, you could skip this part, because this definitely made it more of a dramatic look. My eyes are burning. I don't know why. I go back in with Pluto and lighten this up again. Do not get this eyeshadow in your eyes, because this is making me burn. Okay, and then I'm going to take Titan, which is just a nude shade, on a blending brush, a flat blending brush, and go underneath my brow bone and on the inner, right here. And then I'm going to take Pluto and stick that right underneath my brow bone. Now all that's left is mascara. I like to keep it in the unicorn because I think the unicorn is so pretty. Oh, just dropped it. Almost just dropped the whole palette and I would have cried. The unicorn is so pretty. Yeah, I don't know why it was burning. That's weird. My eyes were definitely burning when I was putting that shadow on my waterline. So now I'm going in, just curling my lashes. And taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm putting some mascara on. my hair is like everywhere. Just putting on my mascara. I like to do a couple of coats to really thicken and lengthen them as well. Alright, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and hope you try it out. Let me know. Bye.